Hello guys, so today I am going to attempt to dye my hair red again. Yeah, so I tried to dye my hair red last year, or was it beginning of this year, a while ago, and it did not work. I used a dark and lovely, like a box color, and it would look like burgundy-ish in the light, but overall it just did not take. So a while ago I asked my Instagram followers, like, what do they think, what should I try? And someone suggested this L'Oreal High Color highlights, one step high lift. So I did a bunch of research on YouTube and I decided to go ahead and buy it. So I'm dyeing my hair red again. Let's hopefully it works this time. So I have one color of just plain red, and then I have 2 boxes of magenta. And I don't know how much I'm gonna need, but I just got 3 boxes just in case. Probably won't use all of it, but I want my hair to be like a raspberry-ish color, and I'm hoping that these colors will achieve it. Also got 30 volume developer because that's what I see most people use on YouTube. I hope that's right. I got some Vaseline for my hairline so that my skin doesn't turn red, wide tooth comb, a dye brush, clips, and a bowl to do the mixing. And I've already sectioned my hair into 3 sections on each side, so that's 6 total, just to make it easier to work with. So yeah, I'm about to just mix this color up now. So to protect my sink, I put down a trash bag. As you can see, this is like a little disposable bowl that I'm gonna throw away after I'm done, but I'm gonna put half this red bottle in here first. And then I'm gonna do a whole bottle of the magenta. This stuff smells really strong, like really strong. And so a lot of people think that this is like no bleach, but I'm pretty sure it probably has bleach already mixed into it. And just from pouring this in here, the magenta and the red look pretty much the exact same. The magenta is like a little bit darker, but it looks the same. And these things are hard to squeeze. I need some muscles. So that's all the color. Now I'm gonna add the 30 volume developer. And it says add 2.4 fluid ounces. I have no idea how much that is, so I'm just gonna you're gonna add that much and we're gonna pray about it. So I'm gonna use this to mix. And this stuff is super thick. Y'all, I hope my hair don't fall out. So yeah, this is not a tutorial because I am not a hair professional, but I like to do my own hair and experiment with stuff. So yeah, follow at your own risk. Disclaimer, I do not know what I'm doing. Another tip, wear gloves, but I don't have any, so we're just gonna hope my nails don't get messed up. But yeah, that's the consistency. Let's get to work. All right, so just finished my whole head. I used one whole thing of magenta, then like a half a thing of the other magenta, and then almost like 3/4 of the red. And so basically I still have like one, almost like a lot of magenta left, and then like a quarter of the red left. But yeah, I'm gonna put my hair in a plastic bag and let it sit for like 30 minutes. And then I'll be back. Oh my God. Wow. I have red hair. Whoa. Let me get you guys a better view. My hair is red. What? Oh my God. Wow. Okay, so look at that. So my roots ended up being a lot lighter than the rest of my hair, which is not what I wanted, but it's okay. I was more so, I applied it to my roots first because my roots were just like completely natural black. And the rest of my hair had already been dyed, so I thought that if I did my roots first, it would get to the same color as the rest of my hair. But no, my roots are like red. Oh my God. And then the rest is like more like a burgundy. So I think what I'll do is maybe in a couple weeks I'll go in and just do the ends so it can be all just one color. But oh my God, yeah, the roots is exactly what I was going for. Oh my God, I can't believe I have red. So I'm about to go in and deep condition and style, and I'll show you what it looks like completely done. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I did a braid out, and if you want to see how I do my braid outs, check the card section up above. But yeah, if you can't tell from my reaction last night, I love my hair. I mean, it's not perfect. Like, I definitely want to even out the color a little bit, but wow, like I have red hair. Can't believe it. So this is gonna be a part one, and part two is gonna be me trying to fix it. Maybe it'll come out like 2 weeks from now ish. I might have red eyebrows by then. You never know. Like, I might go all out. But I hope you guys like this video, and until next time.